Belt fastened at all times. Keep your hands, arms, and legs inside the raft at all times. For your safety, do not rock the raft. Please secure all loose belongings. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following health conditions: recent surgery or illness. Wait hard.
Walo! Putik yan!
Putik yan!
Ay, may waterfall. Buti po, naka kapote.
Oo nga! Lala! Matapal yung anak ka!
Okay lang yan!
That's so refreshing!
Gado to na.
I got still win!
Ikaw na next.
It's okay!
Swerte niyo dyan ah! Ang swerte niyo ah! Sige pa!
Yung bigat yata natin dati nandito.
Nabigat tayong dalawa eh.
My shoes are wet inside! It's so wet! It's so wet! Si Sophie is wet eh. Alam mo ba nang malaman? Yung buwan.
Eh bakit kanina tuyo to?
Ayan na!
Oh, tigyari na naman ako!
I can't wait! Dahil ito din natin!
Wala ko ito! Halika na, uwi na tayo! Lagi!
Masalat si Kanya!
Oh my God! Ikot! Ikot!
I think I still want more!
Ayan na! Uwi na! Uwi na!
Alala, uwian na to!
Belts fastened. So far,
I like it!
to a line.
Go, go, go!
5 feet behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Please watch your step. Step out of the
Uwi na
raft.
tayo!
Thank you for riding the Rio Grande Rapids and have a wonderful day at Enchanted Kingdom.
Dati dati eh. Can I have more?
Di ba sa'yo wallet ko
Please
ah?
remain seated and in position with seat belts fastened and
I
seat
can
marks
hear
tucked in with the right attendant to allow.
I got
Check your seats for any loose belongings that you might leave behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please allow.